Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gloria Parra and today I have a super exciting unboxing video for you. So I got my very first 49 & Market design team box, and let me tell you friends, this box is bursting with wonderful products. So I thought I just need to turn on my camera and show my friends all the goodies that I got and that are coming your way in your favorite online scrapbooking store, or if you still have a brick and mortar, you have to run and get this new products, friend. So let me show you a little sneak peek before diving in. I got all the new inks, friends, all the new Reinkers. So I'm super excited for that. I also got Vicky Booten's new Irresistibles that are amazing. I will show you all of them really slowly so you can see the wonderful things that are waiting for you. I also got the Plum and Petal new collection, and I hope I'm saying all those names right, friends, but it is just beautiful. So let's dive in and come with me. All right, friends, let's start with the inks. So this new release has 15 new colors, and look how beautiful they looked all lined up. And 49 & Market inks are created in collaboration with Reinkers, so you know that the quality is amazing, friends. These are all dye-based inks, which means that they are smooth, they are vibrant, and they are very easy to work with. Okay, the colors are super rich, they are highly pigmented, so they will really stand out on your dark or light papers. And they are perfect, friends, for blending, whether you want to create those, blended backgrounds, or they're perfect to add some shading with brushes, or to build layers of colors. These inks will work great for all those techniques. I also love that they work with water, so you can spritz them, you can lift color from them, or you can create beautiful watercolor style effects on your projects. So very versatile, friends, which makes them great for all the mixed media projects, and for all those junk journals or art journals that are very popular right now. And of course, they give you great crisp stamp images. So they're fantastic to stamp your details, to stamp your sentiments, or any shape that you want to include in your projects. So I have all of them just swatched here. And look how beautiful they look all together. I love the colors, and let's start reviewing line by line. We have Doll Face first, which is a beautiful magenta color. Then we have Engine 9, which is, that deep red. Sunrise, which is a beautiful orange. And we have this pink lady, a very salmon-y pink. And this pineapple that I really love. Bright yellow, that's super fun. Then we go to Frosty, which is that light blue. We have Tranquil Waters, which is a more deep teal, and I love this Early Bird. It's like a periwinkle blue, really beautiful. I also love the key lime. We got that lime green, and Shamrock, a more deep green. Then moving on to the darker ones, we have Camouflage, we have Sangria. I love Sangria, so I love that color. We have Twilight here, a very nice purple that's gonna go great with their newest collection. Dress Blues, a more deep blue, and we have Cold Brew, it's a dark brown. So you see, these inks are super rich and great for all your stamping techniques. Okay, now let's move on to the liquid inks that are best known as Reinkers in the crafty industry. And this liquid inks are used to refresh your ink pads, to have them all juicy when they are not stamping all that well. But they have some other very fun uses, such as you can put some drops into your paper using some brushes. You can mix them with water and create that watercolor effect, or you can use a craft mat and just put some drops there and use the Vicky Booten technique. She calls like the kissing technique, and just use like an acetate or a plastic that you can, dab a little and then put in your paper and create that watercolor effect with this inks. So very fun, and they're not only useful to re-ink your pads, but also to play and, give it another use. So talking about the inks, friends, we're gonna move on to a very, very fun product, which are the Irresistibles by Vicky Booten. So let me move all this and come back. All right, friends, so now let's move on to the Irresistible line by Vicky Booten. And this is an amazing product to use with the inks that I just showed you. You start here with a white shape. It can be a white rub-on, a white die cut border or shape, or a white chipboard word, okay? And you apply ink to it. It can be straight from your pads or with the liquid inks. And you just pat off the excess with with a towel, and then the magic happens. Some areas resist the color, while others like embrace it or suck it in. And that creates a beautiful, very organic feel on the shapes. So like I was telling you, you have rub-on transfers in a various kind of shapes. So this one has those beautiful borders that we can see on the back. So we have, I hope you see them, we have borders, we have those fun circles, corners, beautiful corners here that you can color to match your collection. You can give it, like a watercolor effect, and some of the shape will resist the colors and some will soak it in. Super, super fun. So you have the borders, you have the words, artful words. So you get smile, love it, photo, a bunch of words here. Super, super fun as well. And you get artful layers to create even more layers on your backgrounds. So these are super fun. I've never tried rub-ons really. This will be my first time. I've played with die cuts and with chipboards from other brands, but those rub-ons, I've never seen them in the market. So here we get the die cut borders, and you get doilies, you get tickets, little banners. I love this little like notebook border here. Lots of fun shapes, friends. Beautiful, beautiful shapes to play. The other one is die cut frames. So a bunch of different shapes. I love the photo strips, like the Polaroids, and you can give them the color that you want. Here is the chipboard words, and we get that very fun, like script from Vicky Booten, and we get fun titles like memory, smile, moment, super useful. So that's the Irresistible line. And before moving into the collections, I was sent this like basics to start playing. I was sent the brushes. These are really high quality, Reinkers of course, and enamel accents. I think I can do my like dimensional opaque medium with a high gloss, so I can create like my own enamel dots with this. And my favorite black waterproof ink, archival ink in jet black. Okay, now let's move into the collection, friends. I'm super excited to show you those. All right, friends, now let's move on to the first collection called Plum and Petal. And this collection has a very soft, romantic, elegant feel. I love this color combo. I just love how well, the purples, the teals, the blues pair in this collection. It just has me super giddy to start creating. So in this collection, you will find like very delicate florals, patterns, and that dreamy, color palette, and beautiful feathers, lots of layers, of course, musical notes. Look at this window, friends. I'm really tempted to do some wedding photos with this one. Look at this dress. Oh my God. It would be perfect for wedding photos, very feminine layouts, maybe heritage photos as well. But I just love the elegant feel of it. Beautiful, beautiful, you know? Look at like all the ladies there, all the shapes, the figures. So, you know, it has some sewing machines as well. So if you love to sew and you want to talk about that, I think that's a very beautiful collection to do that. And this just looks like fabric hanging. Beautiful, beautiful, friends. Oh, one thing that I love from this collection is that it has this beautiful phrases at the bottom. So this is the beautiful process of finding joy while becoming the person I'm meant to be. And all of them have this beautiful different sayings at the bottom that I just want to collect them and do something special with it. So these is the pattern, the 12 by 12 collection pack. That's pattern paper, and this are the solids. And I love that it has, you know, wood grains. It has that like painted wall. I don't know. It's just awesome. So very fun basics to, you know, like stretch your collection out a bit. I think they both are a must-have. Moving on, we have rub-on transfers where you get sayings, perfect for your titles. You get the feathers, you get numbers. We also get lots of pieces to just create even more layers, florals, like different pieces of wall, I guess, but beautiful. We get the laser cut element set. Look at that dress again. I love the piano. I love the sewing machines. You know, all the very fun vintagey stuff. You know, Carnival is very big here in Bolivia, so I love that those masks. I could maybe use, you know, a Carnival photo for that. These are the washi sheets, and you get tons of different patterns, beautiful borders that you can create something very, very fun. The two other elements are the ephemera frames, and here you get, you know, that beautiful window, more frames for your photos. We get those like journaling cards, just beautiful to create layers. These are very high quality, friends. This is very thick. You know, they're big pieces. Amazing. That's a must-have for me. And of course, the chipboard sentiments that are perfect for your layout titles or cards. So this is Plum and Petal, friends. I just love it, and I'm gonna start creating, I think, with this one that has me super, super excited. Now, friends, on the other side, we have Timber and Tweed, which has a completely different vibe than Plum and Petal. So this collection feels very cozy, very rustic, you know, inspired in nature with lots of textures like wood grain, tweed, plaids, very like earthy, rich tones. Just beautiful, beautiful for, you know, outdoor adventures, travel layouts, maybe fall layouts or winter in the cabin. I don't know, it just, you see that winter feel and that cabin. So perfect if you live in those cold, beautiful mountains, friends, or you go for vacations there. Where I live, we don't have snow, but we go to mountains with cabins and we love it. So I'm really excited for this one. And I love those rich tones. I really think they're so beautiful. Those earthy tones and those beautiful textures. Okay, so we have the pattern papers. We have the solid pack here, and we have lots of embellishments. So we have the laser cut floral set. Look at all the acorn leaves and all the beautiful, you know, like nature inspired things. So we have the deers, the bears, lots of wood I think this is perfect for a masculine page if you have someone in your family that loves to hunt or to, you know, go to the mountains. I think it's beautiful. Here, lots of trees. This is the rub and transfers. Again, lots of pines. And oh, look at that guy there. He's so cute. Beautiful, beautiful rub-ons. We get the ephemera and frames again. You know, those big pieces to accentuate your photos and make them pop out. And last, we have the chipboard sentiments that again are just super fun to put your title and tell your stories. So yeah, friends, that's it. I'm super excited for everything. I'm super excited to start playing with all of these goodies, with the beautiful inks, and I love how everything here coordinates, and 49 and Market makes it really easy to get, you know, a little inky, to try out mixed media, and just get playing with all your products. So let me know in the comments which one is more your style, Plum and Petal or Timber and Tweed, and what kinds of projects you would like to see me creating with them. And if you are interested in any of these products, I will leave links down below. So I would really appreciate if you use them because it helps my channel grow and it won't cost you anything extra, friends. Thank you so much for being here. Until the next video, friends. Bye-bye.